You may have heard that honey is good for sore throats, but did you know that it can actually kill deadly bacteria? That's right. In today's video, we're going to take a look at how this sticky treat can help to destroy dangerous bacteria, including Streptococcus pneumonia and Staphylococcus aureus. These two bacteria can cause a range of infections from pneumonia and meningitis to food poisoning and skin infections. And while most people think of honey as a sweet substance used primarily for baking and cooking, it turns out that it can be a powerful weapon against these harmful microbes. So, what makes honey such a potent antibacterial agent? Well, it all has to do with its unique composition. Unlike regular sugar, which is made from just one type of sugar molecule, honey is a complex mixture of sugars, enzymes, amino acids, vitamins, and other compounds. This makes it a very hostile environment for bacteria to survive in. In fact, researchers have found that honey can inhibit the growth of over 60 different types of bacteria. But that's not all. Honey also has a special trick up its sleeve, so to speak. You see, when bacteria attempt to reproduce in honey, they end up making a fatal mistake. They incorporate hydrogen peroxide into their genetic material. This mistake is usually repaired quickly by the bacteria, but in the process, they become more vulnerable to the other antibacterial compounds in honey. The end result is often the death of the bacteria. Researchers are still figuring out exactly how all of these compounds work together to destroy bacteria, but they have some theories. For example, one group of compounds called phytochemicals may interfere with the communication systems that bacteria use to coordinate their activities. Without being able to communicate with each other, the bacteria are much less effective at causing disease. Other compounds may directly attack the bacteria's cell walls or DNA, making them unable to reproduce. What's more, honey's low water content also works against the bacteria. Most bacteria need water in order to survive and reproduce. So by dehydrating them, honey is able to slow down their growth and make them easier targets for the other antibacterial compounds. But it's important to note that not all honey has the same antibacterial properties. Raw, unfiltered honey is the most effective at killing bacteria because it contains high levels of hydrogen peroxide, along with other compounds that are removed during processing. Pasteurized honey, on the other hand, has most of its antibacterial properties destroyed. So, if you're looking to boost your intake of this sweet treat, go for raw, unfiltered varieties. Not only does it taste better, but it also provides more health benefits. Thanks for watching. See you next time.